Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to screen record on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now to add the screen recording shortcut to the control center, just tap and hold on the screen, then tap on add a control. Now in the search bar, just search screen recording. Now from here, just tap on screen recording. And once you add the screen recording shortcut to your control center, just tap on the empty space of the screen to save your changes. Now to start screen recording, just tap on the screen recording icon in the control center. Now after this countdown finishes, you will start screen recording on your iPhone. Now to stop the screen recording on your iPhone, just tap on the dynamic island, then tap on stop recording. Now you can find all your screen recordings in the Photos app on your iPhone. Just open the Photos app and you will find all the screen recordings on your iPhone. Now if you also want to use the microphone while screen recording, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now just tap and hold on the screen recording icon over here. Now from here, just tap on the microphone icon and turn on microphone on your iPhone. Now just tap on start recording and you will start screen recording using your microphone. And this is how you can screen record on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.